Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Olivehurst, local and long-distance movers near me. We provide the best skilled long-distance moving services to help make your move a lot simpler. Choosing our team to assist you means your cross-country move will go efficiently. By having the right moving services to help you, any kind of move, small or large, becomes a lot simpler. Hiring our team means you receive access to all the standard long-distance moving services and all the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to work with a California moving company may not seem like it's worth the expense. When you examine the main benefits you get, the cost might be a lot easier to deal with. The time savings you gain can make using the services of a moving company one of the best choices you've made. Minimizing the heavy lifting also provides an additional advantage you get from working with the right local movers. Our moving team makes it easy to get to your new location without having nearly as much worry. When moving with a local company like 3 Movers, you obtain a structured solution for moving day. A move that might take you all weekend to execute, we can take care of in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Olivehurst moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.